New palm rest assembly for this. So, this box arrived in the mail. It has a new base. Now this tape sucks. Gonna have to clean that up. Nice. Got the texture on it. It's not worn out. Still got the original covers. You saw the power button was worn out. It has the original hard drive. Original battery. So this is basically a new laptop now. So yeah, this thing's almost 100% rebuilt. The lid's kind of crappy. I'm not going to worry about that. Now I just got to take the adhesive off. Care to take a guess what the battery charge is at? Floppy disk drive. I bought more floppy disks, by the way. I haven't tried watching Vidly videos on here, but I did on my D810, which is a 128 megabyte card. What do you think the battery's at? It's at 34. It's been charging for 2 days. I felt the battery pack's not getting hot or anything. This is the slowest charging battery ever. It charges slower than the Toshiba satellite battery pack that the Panasonic sells in it. They're not 18650s, they're smaller. Not sure what they are.